In this video, I will cover the superposition of three emotions of madness. Attention and self-control that comes with it, the control over own emotions and obsessions, is good, while insanity, exactly when emotions control you and your obsessions dictate your actions and beliefs, is bad, and we already know that. However, the cause is madness, the working of which is to be determined by presence of either of three emotions: rage, rapture, despair. It's a border between good and bad in the beginning and the end. A goat can only birth a goat and not a cat. That happens because the product must always have at least some qualities of the source. One product of madness is insanity, which is bad because it is destructive. And another product of madness is ascension, and it is good because it is constructive. Therefore, madness has both of these qualities, and rage, rapture, and despair along with it. So madness is evil and good both at the same time. What are we to do about it? Nothing. Correction. There is nothing that can be done about the force of nature. Madness forces people to act, and actions bring change to the world, and change is normal. And by normal, I mean change happens in everything. There is nothing that doesn't undergo changes. To change is the norm. What we can do is stimulate the positive, constructive changes and avoid the destructive ones. But when they come, they come.